Welcome to the video lecture Computer Networks. The course code is 22EC503. In this video lecture we are going to see the types of networks, that is network classification based on its size and coverage. Myself Samadha Pratima, Assistant Professor EC Department RMK EC. So based on its geographical coverage, the networks classified as personal area network PAN, local area network LAN, metropolitan area network MAN, and wide area network WAN. So it is based on its size and coverage. So PAN, which covers few square meters, so that network is called personal area network. If the network covers up to hundreds of meters, that is called as LAN. And then if the network covers up to few tens of kilometers, that network is called considered as metropolitan area network. And the network which covers beyond that means that is called comes under wide area network. So personal area network again classified into two types, wired and wireless. So this is the example. If the laptop is connected to the different types of digital devices through the wireless means that is called wireless personal area network. And if the system is connected through the wired means wired personal area network. So every day we use it to see this type of PAN network. The local area network is designed to connect multiple network devices and systems within the limited geographical distance. Its range up to 10 meters range of connectivity and 30 feet in diameter. The devices are connected using multiple protocols for properly and efficient exchanging of data and services. So this is the, for example, LAN network. The server is connected. Server is supposed to give network connection for only few systems within a building, like that. So this is also an example. So few computers connected to the network through the server. So based on the speed, the LAN network is relatively higher than other network types, MAN and WAN, since the shared devices are less. LAN uses private network addresses for network connectivity and data and service exchange. So since it is local, it will use private network addresses. It uses cable for network connection, decreasing error and maintaining data security. So Ethernet cable we use it to give the connection. So next one more classification is also there, campus area network. So between the buildings, if we give the network means network service means, so that comes under campus area network. So next, metropolitan area network, a MAN network. So if it connects two cities, then it is called a metropolitan area network. Or within a city, it extends the geographical area above than local area network means it is called metropolitan area network. So metropolitan area network is a type of network that covers network connection of entire city or connection of small area. So Ethernet, ATM token ring are some examples. So area covered by network is connected using a wired network like data cables. Data transmission speed is relatively high due to the installation of optical cables and wired connections compared to other networks. So WiMAX is the example for the metropolitan area network. So it shows MAN network. So the circle around this is a LAN network at Bhuj branch office, and this is at Ahmedabad branch office. If metropolitan area network is connecting these two networks. So this is also different buildings, residential areas, different types of areas will be connected through MAN network. Next, wide area network, WAN network. It is designed to connect devices over large distances like states or between countries, even overall continent. The connection is wireless in most cases and uses radio towers for communication. So whereas LAN is wired and this is wireless. Since it has to cover the entire country, wired is not possible. The WAN network can be made up of multiple LANs and WAN MAN networks. The speed of the WAN is lower compared to other networks since it covers whole country or the world. The WAN network uses satellite medium to transmit the data between multiple local stations and network towers. The internet is the world's largest WAN network. So everyone, we all are well known about the internet. So which is the largest WAN. So and it is the mostly utilized by the government entities to handle the data and the information. So this is the example how the data will be transmitted, or how the connections will be. Wide area network. This is the pictorial representation of wide area network. So through the satellite the data will be communicated. So data communication. So here within India some city LAN network, and another Ahmedabad another LAN network, and California in US another LAN network, and Texas in US another LAN network. All these two will be connected through MAN network, and these two in India will be connected through MAN network, and these two networks will be connected to wide area network, that is through the internet. So this is the network classification based on its size and geographical area. So this table shows the differences between LAN, CAN, MAN, WAN, that is personal area network, local area network, campus area network, metropolitan area network, and wide area network. Abbreviation first and then technology used to transmit the data from one device to another device, that is from one computer to another computer, how the data will be transmitted, and the range covered by the each and every network, and the speed. Since the PAN is very small in range, the speed is very high compared to the LAN, and LAN is very high compared to CAN. CAN is high compared to MAN. MAN speed is average, and WAN it covers all over the world, so it is low. And ownership, PAN means personal area network. So each and every home within a room we are having our personal area network, so it is private. And LAN also private, CAN also private, and MAN and WAN will be maybe private or public. The maintenance come to the maintenance. It is very easy for PAN and LAN compared to others. In MAN, WAN very difficult. The cost is very low for PAN and LAN since the geographical area covered by these two networks is very small, and it is moderate in CAN, campus area network. In metropolitan area network it is somewhat high, and in WAN it is very high maintenance of the network. So thanks for listening.